So we have here a jacket that is normal jacket, but the inside on the jacket there are no pockets. So the client asked me if I can do inside pocket. So I did from an old jeans. I took a pocket and I did a piece behalf, so it is a bit longer. So then I'm gonna try to put it here in the place that normally is a pocket on the inside on a jacket. So what I have to do is open the sides like I already did, you see. So that's the inside from the jacket. So now I have the space to put it under the machine so that I can stitch the pocket on the inside from the jacket. And I will do it on the bold side from the jacket. The client asked me 2 pockets, one right, one left. So I did another one, yeah, so it will become also on this side. So I'm gonna start to stitch it, and you will see the next step. So now I put it on the right place. It must be not too low or even not too high, so below the arms, and that's plus minus the part of the outside from the jacket. The same thing I did on the side, yeah, and now I'm gonna stitch it. It's also, you see here are the arms sides, and not too far or not too high, and also not too far at the outside. It's between in the middle. So I'm gonna start on this side. It's difficult, it's not one place that I have. One side. Now the other side. Do it piece by piece. You cannot do it in one time because you have not so much space. So now do the last part, and that's this side. Easy, almost there. First one is done. Now we check if everything is on the right side and straight. Now we must took everything out. So let's stick here. So you see here I have the pocket. Nice and straight. So you see, voila. That's one side. Then after we close here. So we must close this. Yeah. But now the pocket is done. So now we do the other side. Let me check it. The other pocket. See, here's the opening. So I go inside so that I can stitch it. Here it's easier because it's the other side, so the opening is on the right side. It's a little bit easier to get inside. I'm going to stitch it now and then I'll let you see the ends. Now you see this side is also done. Yeah, pocket. Now it's the time to close this again. We do it with a little long stitch, do it in each other, and also we must be very careful that we don't take too much or too little. So in this way, you can see the step. It's also not easy. Start here. See it little by little. See now, it's close. See, no problems. You cannot even see the stitch, and we have our pocket inside the jacket. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to close this, and then we are done. So it's done. Pocket, pocket. And that's the jacket. It's ready. Yeah. See? You have inside pockets. See, you can also do something with just all jeans and make something that's not was there and now it's there. 2 pockets.